Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the app and tap the profile icon at the top right. Wait for the menu to appear and select Settings from the list. In Settings, choose Security to reveal password or passcode options and two-factor choices. Prepare a secure password that uses at least 12 characters, including letters, numbers, and a symbol. Keep your email or phone nearby so you can confirm identity if the app prompts for verification. Tap Change Password or Set Password to begin creating your new login key. Enter a password that is at least 12 characters long and includes uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and a symbol. Use the Show button while typing so you can visually confirm each character and avoid typos. Re-enter the exact same password into the Confirm field to validate it. When both fields match, tap Save or Set Password to apply the new credential to your account immediately. After setting a password, enable recovery options such as email, phone number, or recovery codes. Save any generated recovery codes in a secure place, like a password manager or a locked secure note. Next, log out of the app and sign back in immediately to test the new password and confirm the account still syncs correctly. If two-factor authentication is available, enable it now for stronger protection. Finally, update your
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.